Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technically Unique, and today we're just going to see how to remove the repost option or feature on your or on your reels on your Instagram. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the repost feature from the reels option on your Instagram account. So for an example, just opening this, you have this option called repost here. I just need to disable this option. If you just click on the three dot option, you can't find here. If you just go into the manage, you can't find here. It's actually inside the setting. So first of all, just click on the three dot option on the top. Then you just need to go to the setting option, and here you just need to swipe down. You just need to click on the sharing and reuses. Click on the sharing and reuse, and here you have this first option called repost on the post and reels. So the repost on the reels should be turned off. Just tap on this, so this will turn off. Now come here and just refresh your home page. So just go inside it, you can find there is a like option, comment option, share option. There is no repost option. This is how you just disable or turn off the repost option on your reels on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super marvel content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.